Well, good morning and welcome to Grillmeister Dave's house, the clubhouse. We are just here today and meet with my brother. So I have a project that's I need his help. So I decided to turn and around and see maybe my brother can help me. So all the garage, all kind of equipment. He said he's willing. Guess what we're gonna be doing here? So we're making some bus bars. These are from the Volkswagen e-Golf batteries. So Dave is trying to straighten up some of this stuff. But we're just gonna be cutting them according to sizes. This is a flexible one, so I'll show you how we're gonna do it outside.
Okay.
So and the reason why we're here, so we're trying to make some bus bars for this lithium iron phosphate batteries right here. I suppose you guys have seen all these. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cells here. So since I have all these bus bars laying down, doing nothing, and I have a lot of the Nissan Leaf bus bars as well. Here you can see these are the the separators in between the batteries. So for the compression, so we got some wires here, 3/8 cable. So we're gonna be going to the vice grip and see what we're gonna be cutting here and what we're gonna be doing here. He has the bench press over there, so all that stuff. So he's gonna cut this one. This is just an example for the Nissan Leaf battery. So now Dave already put a kind of mark on that thing, and that's what we're gonna use as a template to see how we can able to nice using that tool. See, I don't know if this that one is a better.
Let's see here.
And we managed to cut one of those, and we're gonna be using that for template. And now we're gonna set this one into this bench press and put the holes into them, and after that we can just use that to replicate and do these guys right here. Okay, stay tuned. And it's gonna use a punch, the mark that already indicated, so that's what that will help the bench press thing to do the job. Some of you guys, this is not new to you guys, and it's something you're doing every day, or you know what to do. Maybe you can do it better than us, but this is a learning curve. So if we don't make these videos, a lot of people probably will know what to do, because YouTube helps a lot when it comes to simple tasks like this, and people who hasn't done this before, they find it very, very difficult because of you need a pointer guide how to go about things. Sometimes you say, oh, okay, maybe I'm not gonna follow exactly what Grillmeister Dave and JW Solar is doing here. Now I have an idea. I know what to do. So that's all it needs for people to even have just a start how to do things or how to go about them. And this is why we are here today, just to show a little bit here and there things what you need. You don't have to have all these other fancy machines, all these sophisticated table with all machines. If you don't know what you're doing or what you need, trust me, you just buy a whole bunch of stuff, probably drill bits. You're gonna break a lot of them because you don't know what to do. But if you have the right equipment, and it's not gonna be difficult for you at all. So from the last time we're out of here, look what he got. He got a Lincoln electric. So he hasn't used this one yet, but it's in the process of being used. He got all the bench for it, and yeah, he's Generac, so he's prepared for all in case something happened. He has his backup system, you know, solar. You can see one of the arrays in here, the breaker box, and we had the other one here for the south lot. So you guys, if you're familiar with this project with Grillmeister Dave, and we did all this install, and he was just thrilled about solar, and he ended up doing it. Just by mistake or by accident, everything works. Now he had the largest system that you guys can think of in his garage, basement, sorry. With lithium batteries, then you get AGM batteries there. All right, stay tuned for the operation, see how everything goes. Bye for now. Like and subscribe. Well, these are the batteries that we're gonna be making the bus bars for. You know, the battery bus bars. So let's see how this process go. Okay, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way live from this channel, JW Solo USA, live from Minnesota. The Grillmeister Dave.